Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Brian, and this channel is all about Porsches. Currently, we're restoring two different vehicles. We're restoring a 1967 Porsche 912 that has a 1976 Porsche 912e motor in it. Now, that is a Type 4 2-liter. We ripped off the fuel injection and put on dual 44 Webers. Now this is a Type 4 2-liter motor in this car. So it's kind of a mod, it's kind of a outlaw, would you say, in the 912 community. Our other car is a 2001 Porsche Boxster S6 Speed. This car we picked up the summer of 2019 for just $600. Blown motor, completely trashed, and we've been slowly restoring it. We put a new engine in it. I'll put a link right here so you can watch the videos on how we took the motor out of our Boxster. Plus, tons of other videos on repair and maintenance to both vehicles. Hopefully, we're going to add a 924 and a 928, hopefully within the next year. So, if you're into Porsches, if you have a Boxster, or you have a 911, 912 first gen, and would like to follow along, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share this channel with all your friends. Thanks so much, and I hope you continue to watch.